Hey everyone, for the mission statement forum, I chose to compare the mission statements of Patagonia and North Face. So Patagonia's mission statement was to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. And North Face was provide the best gear for athletes and the modern day explorer, support the preservation of the outdoors, and inspire a global movement of exploration. I personally liked the North Face mission statement better than Patagonia's. I just felt like they addressed all those things that a mission statement really needs, and where Patagonia didn't really address the consumer or the customer, but the North Face did and really emphasized their purpose and why they do what they do.